Sure, everybody can agree that the Philippines is the land of singers. I'm telling you right now, I mean, they invented karaoke. Hopefully you guys knew that. Hey, I knew that. But a lot of people sent this over to me, said I will definitely enjoy it. It will show a little bit more of like some of these singers that are known as some of the best in the Philippines. And it might be a little short, but it'll be a cool little video for you to enjoy. So check it out, Vision, please. Let's go.
Joseph, pwede ba selfie?
Is the SB19's, oh! Hey! Wait, is that Journey, I think, right?
Oh,
And that's Leia.
this can't be for real. I remember watching these on TV when I was a little girl in Manila, and this can't be real.
He is one of the best.
I mean, yeah.
Am I wrong?
I
don't think that other one was Journey.
So
Is this
you're
Journey?
the guy, huh? You're auditioning.
Listen, I don't know, but I know you guys have talked about Journey and being like one of the best.
Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Okay, I'm convinced. Okay, go to.
Oh, this was her audition, bro. Since she was young, she was talented with this.
Kamusta mga ka-proud? Today's video episode ay pag-uusapan natin ang mga kababayan nating Filipino singers na certified world-class pagdating sa talento sa entablado. Hindi lamang basta tumatak sa Filipino audience, nagpasikat at gumawa ng marka sa international stage.
This is a really cool song from the Philippines. The man that wrote this song, I don't know, Maria, how long ago was that he wrote that? Anak.
Kung tayo magpatuloy, siguraduhin nakasubscribe ka na at notification on para updated ka sa ating mga proud Filipino Moments video. Kapag may big event, siguradong may Filipino talent dyan. Nasaksihan ito ng libo-libong fans ng Formula 1 sa Las Vegas nang bumida ang bandang Journey sa opening show ng nagbabalik na Formula 1 race sa Las Vegas.
That's right, that's Journey, right?
Proud moments talaga ang talent ni Arnel Pineda. Pero alam mo ba ang history? Paano siya nakilala at nahanap ng bandang Journey?
What I was looking for, and I think what we were looking for, was the legacy sound. It's a tenor voice, you know, with soul and emotion, and able to sing a ballad.
Hey.
Where did he find that voice? On YouTube.
Sa YouTube nga, ka-proud. Akalain mong ang simpleng upload mo ay aabot sa mga idolo mo. Pero syempre, deserve naman talaga ni Idol Arnel Pineda.
After 2 days of surfing, he stumbled on a video of Arnel Pineda singing with The Zoo, a cover band in the Philippines.
That's amazing,
mimicking
guys.
Everybody from Sting.
This is why it's important, bro, to get him out there, man.
To Led Zeppelin.
Yeah, you can see his talent. It seems like a video I would have reacted to, bro.
It was a revelation.
Like, dude. You see that presence? You can tell he's supposed to be out there, bro.
He picked up the phone immediately and called keyboard player Jonathan Cain.
It was 12 o'clock at night. I had a couple glasses of wine in me, and I was like, you got to be kidding me, Neil. Right now. He goes, right now, go to the computer.
Arnel
That's
couldn't
so
believe
awesome,
it
guys.
when he got a phone call from his American idols.
Ano pang hinihintay mo,
That's
ka-proud? I-upload
Oh my
mo na
gosh,
ang
this
iyong
video.
pangmalakasang singing piece. Baka ikaw
I'll
na
react
ang
to this.
next Filipino rockstar na gugulat sa mundo. Basta wag mong kalimutang itag ang One Filipino TV para updated din kami sa journey ng karir mo.
Ironically, the man they hired to keep Journey just the same has changed them in ways they couldn't have imagined.
Arnel makes me a better guy.
Newest fans.
We know. The Queen. The Disney legend
At
herself.
sa usaping greatest Filipino singer, hindi mawawala sa listahan ang nag-iisang Lea Salonga. Siya lang naman ang first Filipino artist to sign with an international record label. Yan ay ang Atlantic Records noong 1993. Nakapagbenta lang naman ng higit kumulang 19 na milyong albums worldwide. Siya lang din naman ang singing voices ng dalawang Disney princess.
Yeah.
Yan ay si Jasmine ng Aladdin at si Mulan. At syempre,
She is one of the best
makakalimutan ba
voices
natin
for that,
na siya ang
Disney
first
princess.
Asian actress
She
to
is the
win
voice,
a
right?
Tony
For the
Award.
singing.
At marami pang iba bago ako maubusan ng hininga.
The Philippines is a very enclosed kind of society. You're brought up rather
Quite
strictly.
conservative, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, my parents aren't exactly strict as people in the world. It's just that I never really wanted to have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
And I still don't want one.
Don't you?
I don't.
Well, we have a lot of young ladies, probably a little younger than you, in the audience today.
Oh, yes.
And they probably feel the same as you do. They don't want a boyfriend.
No. No, they don't want a boyfriend.
Boys are awful. How did you...
Hanggang sa ngayon ay patuloy sa pamamayagpag ang ating iconic singer at pinararangalan sa kanyang ambag sa industriya.
Concert performances and theater engagements in the Philippines, but it is as the singing voice of Jasmine and Mulan that her brilliance will shine for many years to come as each new generation discovers these two classic films. Leia, please join me on stage to accept your Disney Legends.
Disney Legends, man. She's a legend, though, for real. She's literally a legend. She's made her name.
Hi, everybody. Good morning.
Isisi ang sa isip mo, nalaman mo, ika'y nagkamali.
At sa usaping OPM naman, hindi maikakahila ang kantang anak ni Freddie Aguilar. Ang best-selling single by a Filipino artist of all time na tumabo lang naman ng 33 million copies worldwide.
I know the name, but I forgot the face.
Isama mo pa ang 27 language translations ng kantang ito.
This is a really cool song from the Philippines. The man that wrote this song, I don't know, Maria, how long ago was that he wrote that? Anak.
Oh my God. In Japanese? Wow, dude. Things like this always bring like light to my soul, bro. Seeing beautiful stuff like this. Like, how does this not affect y'all, right? Like, in all these different languages. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Literally every... Dog. My goodness.
Napakaganda naman talaga kasi ng kantang ginawa ni Ka Freddy. Kaya hindi lamang ito tumagos sa puso ng bawat Pilipino, bagkus nadama ang awitin sa buong mundo. Kumpara naman natin yan sa mga awitin na nagva-viral ngayon. Aw, kamot ulo na lang talaga tayo mga ka-proud.
All, habang kayo ay parang asong tatahol-tahol.
Pero naman pa rin tayong mga kababayan na nagpapakita ng kanilang talento at nakikipagsabayan sa world stage. Isa na dyan ang SB19. Sa kabila ng pagsikat ng kabi-kabilang mga grupo, pinatutunayan nila na ang talentong Pilipino ay kabilang sa magagaling sa buong mundo.
The Philippines has indefinitely, for me especially, left a mark on my life and for the future of everything else. I mean, they created karaoke. Think about all the fun times in other places because of the Philippines. And not just that, man, the amount of artists that have changed childhoods, lives with their beautiful voices, made days that have gone bad to better because of their singing, because of that ability, and because of their entertainment. Everything about them, carefree but yet so caring. They are one of the best. I love the Philippines, and clearly they are world class, man. They really are. I love this video. Thank you guys for linking it, and honestly, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you liked it, leave a like. If you loved it, subscribe. If you want more, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, until next time, guys.